Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to track how much DoorDash credits you have left. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have DoorDash credits, but you want to see how much is left. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up DoorDash, then click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Settings, then scroll down and click on Payment. Now, once you click on Payment, you want to scroll down even more, and you should see the option where it says DoorDash credits. Now, it's very important to keep in mind that your credits will automatically be applied to future orders. You don't have to necessarily go ahead and manually use them. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and track how much DoorDash credits you have left. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.